Sunday and I'm trying out a bunch of new recipes I found this week. One of them being some mango coconut glazed chicken wings. And this is from Chris Loves Julia. They're mostly on Instagram. They have a blog and a section called Chris Cooks. Some of the recipes look fantastic. This is one of them. I'm super excited to try it. So come along with me while we make some mango coconut glazed chicken wings. We're gonna make the sauce ahead of time. You need 5 mangoes. I have 4. We're gonna go with it. Sweetened condensed coconut milk. I found this at Walmart. I thought it would be harder to find. It was not. Coconut water. You need about a cup. Gosh, the sun is actually coming out in New England. I feel like it's a miracle. And you need about a quarter to a half, depending on your taste preference, of Frank's Red Hot. I'm going to cut up my mangoes and just get them right to the saucepan so I'm not wasting any dirty dishes. All right, our mangoes are cut up in our pan. We're gonna put in 5 cloves of garlic, our coconut water, 1 cup, 3/4 of a cup of the sweetened condensed coconut milk, 1/4 cup of Frank's, and we're gonna get this on the oven and simmer it for like 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I'm about halfway through the simmering. I'm just gonna give it a little stir. Our sauce is done simmering. I simmered it for a solid 25 minutes. I'm actually going to just use my immersion blender because then I don't have to dirty another dish. Okay, if you follow me, yes, we had another birthday party and this is a different balloon decor, Harry Potter themed. Okay, let's do a little taste test. That is delicious. So I'm gonna put it in a mason jar until we're ready to eat. These are our wings. I just bought plain wings. I seasoned them with salt, pepper, garlic, and we're gonna throw them on the smoker, then toss them in the sauce when they're done. Okay, here are our wings. Half are mine, and half are my husband's with his seasoning production. Wings just came off the smoker, so we're gonna toss them in our sauce and dig in. The amount of sauce you get from the recipe is this much. You only need about this much for the wings. It's okay, no biggie. You can use this for all kinds of different stuff. I'm gonna pour about 1/2 cup of my dressing over my wings. Do it this way. Toss them. Here's what they look like. Don't they look incredible? They're hot, but I'm gonna try one. Yum. Those are excellent. Let me know if you try these.